Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to manage finances with Bill.com. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Bill.com. And here you just have to sign up for an account. So just type here your first name, your last name, your work email, your phone, and then your company name, and then the number of your employees, and then which products are you interested in using. So you just have to select it, and then your business type, and click on the get started option. So after logging in, you just have to proceed to your dashboard. So since we cannot really access this one from my region, I'm going to show you here the uses of this tool. Okay, so save time and payments with the AP automation. So we have here the invoice, as you can see at the right side. We have here the inbox, and then the other information about this one. Okay, so in order for us to really access the full potential of this tool, we have to create an account. Okay, so you can easily enter your bills right here. So there are multiple ways to quickly import your invoices into the bill, and you can simplify your approvals process, tailor your approval workflows to fit your business rules, and then stay in two-way sync. Okay, so here we have the AP and AR, spend and expense, accounting firms, solutions, resources, company, and pricing. So here for the AP and AR, let's go with the accounts payable. So you can easily enter your bills. So there are multiple ways. Next one is you can create professional invoices. Choose a template that best suits your brand and service. Customize your invoice fields and reuse a template. Easily keep track of your invoices with automatic unique remembering. And here, send with flexibility. So send your invoices by email or have us send them by US email. Schedule the date to send your invoices or send the spot, and then set up timely, recurring invoices for your regular customers. Next is we have the simplified tracking and follow-up. So track the status of your invoice so you know exactly when it's sent. Filter invoices by the status for quick information on receivables and easily nudge customers. Set up automated reminders. Next is get paid 2 times faster. So you just have to click on the get started option, of course. Okay, now get paid 2 times faster. So receive payments right in your bank account by the ACH or credit card, and then enter amount for invoices paid outside bill, and then put account receivables on autopilot with the auto charge and autoplay. Next, stay in sync. So sync to customers, invoices, accounts, classes, and more 2 ways. Receive payments and bills. Sync for easy and accurate reconciliation. Set it and forget it, or run sync manually. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. So we have the cash flow forecasting. So choose a brighter future with a cash flow forecasting. Here, from vision board to dashboard, so you can optimize your cash flow management with a dashboard to showcase metrics, including the cash in and cash out, net cash flow, and cash balance through a direct sync to QuickBooks Online. Okay, so next one is we have here predict the cash flow and get control. So quickly generate cash flow forecasts for up to 13 months with historical accounting data and predictive modeling. Predict the impact of the business decisions as hiring. Next, you can trust your gut and your data. So track business performance by comparing budgets against the actual cash flow. Explore specific accounts in your general ledger that most impact cash flow, including the payroll, AP, and other information. So choose control, choose bill. So align dashboard with how you manage your fiscal year using monthly, quarterly, and annual views. Create as many charts as you need. Okay, so here let's proceed now to the integrations. Now for the integrations, okay, so automation, we have here increase efficiency with automatic 2-way sync. Direct 2-way sync runs automatically or on demand with leading accounting system. Here, Integrate with most integrating accounting software, so use CSV template to easily import and export data with any accounting system. Sync your card transactions to your accounting software, so effortlessly sync your chart account and transaction data by integrating with QuickBooks, NetSuite, Xero, and the Sage Intacct. Okay, so you'd be able to see that right here. Okay, so here's streamlined sync setup. So single login to your accounting software enables faster sync setup across your AP, AR, and card transactions. And here, integrated sync experience. An automatic sync across your integrated product suite helps ensure your ERP and financial operations platforms are always up to date. Here, simplify employee onboarding with HRIS. Sync your human resources and information system with bill, spend, and expense to automate onboarding and keep employee data up to date. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next one. Let's go to the spend and expenses. So we have spend and expenses, rewards, business credit, budget, reimbursement, virtual card, mobile app, the payment services, integrations, reporting and insights, and the API. So let's go to the spend and expenses. Okay, that's right. So here, card first. So we can see here the information so you can get reward. We have the cashback, travel, statement credit, and the gift cards. We also have here the accounting integrations. Okay, so let's go back here to the spend and expense. We have the accounting firms right here. So let's try the bill for accounting firms. You have the bill for wealth management, then the accountant resource center. Okay, so let's try to explore any of these options from the accounting firms. So I have here the solutions. So we have for small businesses, mid-sized companies, and the multi-entity. So by industry, we have the construction, education, healthcare, hospitality, manufacturing. And here for the company, we have the press release, investor relations, careers, and then the partnerships. So basically, the Bill.com is a cloud-based financial operations platform that helps small and mid-sized businesses automate and streamline their accounts payable and accounts receivable. And it simplifies the way businesses handle invoices, approvals, and payments, allowing teams to save time and reduce the manual work. So with the built-in workflows, digital payment options, and integrations with popular accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, Bill.com ensures smooth and accurate financial operations. A secure, user-friendly interface gives businesses real-time visibility into cash flow and helps improve financial control, making it a valuable tool for modern finance team. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.